Are you looking to buy a car in the USA, but you want to avoid interest because you follow Islamic finance principles? You may have heard terms like Halal Car Financing, Islamic auto financing, or interest free car financing. But what actually makes car financing halal, and what options are available to Muslims in the United States? In this video, we will explain the halal car financing in the USA. But before that, let's understand what is halal car financing. Halal car financing means purchasing or financing a vehicle through a structure that complies with Islamic financial principles. The biggest concern with conventional auto loans is riba or interest. With a conventional car loan, a bank typically lends you money and you repay more than you borrowed because of interest. Islamic finance takes a different approach. Instead of simply lending money with interest, an Islamic financing arrangement may involve the purchase, ownership, or leasing of the vehicle and a clearly defined profit or rental amount. For a better comprehension, we need to understand how does Islamic auto financing work. One common Islamic structure is Murabaha. Here is a simple example for that. Suppose you want to buy a car for $30,000. Instead of giving you a $30,000 loan and charging interest on that, the financing company may purchase the vehicle and then sell it to you for an agreed total price, such as, for example, $36,000 payable over a fixed period. The important point is the transaction is structured as a sale with a disclosed profit rather than a conventional interest-bearing loan. Another structure is ijara, which is similar to leasing. The financing company owns the vehicle and leases it to you for agreed payments. Depending on the specific contract, ownership may eventually be transferred to you. In America, many clients ask this question: is halal car financing available in the USA? And the straightforward, simple answer is yes, it is available in the USA. There are Islamic finance providers and programs serving customers in the United States. However, you should not assume that every company advertising itself as halal automatically meets your personal Islamic requirements. Different scholars and Islamic finance organizations can have different views about specific contracts. That's why it's important to examine the actual agreement, not just the marketing part. Let's know the points we need to check before financing a car in the USA. Before signing a contract, look at several important things. First thing, understand the contract. Is it a loan, a sale, a lease, or another structure? Second point is to check for interest. Look carefully at how payments are calculated and whether the contract contains interest-based charges. Third point to ponder is understand late payment clauses. Some Islamic financing contracts include late payment provisions. So understand exactly where that money goes and how the clauses works. Fourth point to check is check ownership and risk. If the financing company claims to purchase and own the vehicle, understand whether it actually takes ownership and what responsibilities it has during that period. And finally, if you are unsure, ask a qualified Islamic finance scholar or advisor to review the contract. Please note this point that halal does not always mean cheap. There is another important point. A halal financing option may have a higher total cost than a conventional loan, or sometimes it may be competitive. Do not choose an option simply because it is advertised as halal. Compare the total amount you will pay, fee, down payment, monthly payments, contract terms, and ownership structure. The goal is not only to avoid riba, but also to understand exactly what you are agreed to. It is very important to understand legitimate Islamic financing structures that can be highly useful for Muslims who need a vehicle on loan while trying to follow their religious principles. So, halal car financing is possible in the USA. Islamic auto financing options do exist in the USA, but the key is to look beyond the words halal or Islamic. Understand the actual contract, identify how the transaction is structured, compare the total cost, and seek qualified scholarly advice if you have doubts. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not a religious ruling or a financial advice. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more simple explanations about Islamic finance in the USA. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video, inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.